Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning makeup artist layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the makeup artist layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It is very clean, very modern. It has a very subtle color palette that matches the industry this layout pack was made for. And it's just a great combination of Divi's built-in options, and you can go many ways with this layout pack. So you don't exclusively have to use this for a makeup artist website. You can use it for other purposes as well, but you have these high quality images included, which you can use without any restrictions. And let's take a look at the landing page as well, and I'll show you what it looks like on different screen sizes so you can see how good it matches every screen size. And over here you can see this very subtle use of box shadow, which really gives your page a certain depth. And over here you can notice how columns are being used to create a coherent result and to create just a stunning design. And I'll show you what it looks like on different screen sizes by enabling the visual builder at the top over here. And then I'll click on this icon located at the bottom of my page, and over here I will be able to switch over to tablet view and mobile view. So I'll switch over to tablet first to show you what it looks like. So this is what you can expect. And this is what you can expect on a mobile device. So this looks equally as good on tablet and phone as it does on desktop. It matches every screen size, so you're really ready to go. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you will see all of the layout packs that are available. So each one of these layout packs is free, and you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website. And if you scroll down, you'll come across the makeup artist layout pack, and if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are included, and you can view the live demo first if you want to take a look at the layout without actually having to install it on one of your pages by clicking on the blue button which says view live demo, and this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and explore the layouts, and you can navigate through the different layouts at the top. So you can go to the home page, for instance, and say you want to upload this to your website. You can simply go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish your page, enable the Divi Builder, and switch over to Visual Builder right away. And over here you will see that you have three options. So you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to choose one of the makeup artist layouts. So we're going to click on this purple button over here which says Browse Layouts. And over here you will find all of the layout packs that are included within the Divi Builder. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the makeup artist layout pack. And over here, if you click on the home page, for instance, you can view the live demo again, or you can click on the green button which says use this layout, and this will take little to no time for it to upload to your page. And change the content entirely. So now you can go ahead and make all the changes you want. You can modify all of the content that's being provided and make it match with the website that you are setting up, or you can go ahead and play around with all of Divi's built-in options to personalize this layout. So each one of the design elements has its own options. So for instance, if I open this image module over here, I will be able to see all of the changes that have been made to it by clicking on the filter option over here, going to modified styles. And over here, I can play around with all of the settings that have been made to this image module already. So for instance, I can increase the border width over here. I can also play around with the box shadow options and more. Or you can use the find and replace feature, which will help you make changes on your entire page with just a few clicks. So say for instance, you want to change the font that's being used over here, you can go to your heading text over here and right click, then click on find and replace, and over here you will see the font that is being used at this moment, and you can replace it with any font you want. So I'll just choose a random one, and I'm going to replace this on my entire page and click on the blue button over here. So as you can see, the font has been changed throughout the entire page, and it really requires a minimal amount of effort. So go ahead and explore these different layouts and play around with them to create your ideal website. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.